I interviewed my roommate. She's from Arizona, and she gave really good answer to question 3 to 5, and I will share with you today. For question 3, what is the purpose of the earth? She said that this is a great place to provide a home, a temporary home for us, that we can fulfill our purpose to be better and to learn. And also it's a place for God to fulfill His role to mortality. I think this is a really great answer, and exactly is what we have learned in the past. For question 4, what is significant to know the Heavenly Father is Christ's father and Mary is Christ's mom. She said to know that the Heavenly Father is that we can have a better relationship with Jesus Christ because we know that He is our brother. And my roommate said about because Mary is really pure, so we can see the significance of what Christ is. I think for this answer, I really learned from our reading is because Jesus has a really special role that is like half mortality and half immortality, and that gives him a really special power or special place that he can fulfill the atonement. And because he has both sides, that he's different from us, so that he can more qualified to do this job. The last question is about what is grace and how can we apply it into our lives. Her answer is grace is pure love of Christ, and this is the ability that we can be in love and forgiven, and also we know who God is and how to apply that. We know that we are not deserved because we are not that good. That's a really good answer. And also I've learned from the example is Christ doesn't just fill up the gap, He fills up everything. He loves us so much that it's not just the little thing that we try our best and He will fulfill the rest, but He really makes the whole journey just really special, and that is definitely is His grace. Thank you.